Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you a bunch of Amazon favorites, but these are all kind of like the things that, most of the things are things that I cannot stop buying, like things that I keep buying over and over again. So this is sort of like a haul, sort of like a favorites, but you guys kind of get the idea. It's all stuff you can get on Amazon and everything will be linked down below. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you guys have any of the same favorites that I do, or if you guys are going to try out any of this stuff. Anyway, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. One of the first amazing finds that I always get on Amazon are these Tinkle Razors. I see so many people talk about these, and if you guys really want an in-depth tutorial of how to use them, I know tons of people have showed how to use these online. I know Jaclyn Hill even recently did a tutorial with these, but I buy these all the time. I'm a Middle Eastern woman, so I've got hair growing everywhere, including the face. And most everybody does have hair growing on their face, so this is what it looks like. They're super, super affordable. I just recently bought 4 packs, and it was super cheap. I mean, maybe even under $10. Basically, all I do is kind of go up lightly with it, and it just gets off all the peach fuzz. It's awesome, and it honestly makes your makeup look so much better too. So you really just got to get everything, the mustache, everything. I'm not going to do it all right now, but it honestly does make my makeup just sit so much smoother on my face, and I don't know, it just looks better. It doesn't look so cakey or anything like that. So if you guys have never tried these, you have to. These are the best brand. Now, I know there's some other brands that have these little razors now, but these ones are the absolute best. Comment down below if you guys already use these, but I'm gonna have all this stuff linked down below in the description box. So this is another amazing Amazon find. I love this little makeup bag. If you guys saw my last pack with me video, I was showing you guys my toiletry bags, and I was like, I really need to get some new ones. So I went ahead and got this beautiful one from Amazon. It honestly kind of looks a little bit like Louis Vuitton, but it's still much different. It doesn't say Louis Vuitton on it or anything. But I think it's really, really pretty. Just a little toiletry bag. In my toiletry bag, I have these little beauty blenders. These are also little beauty blenders that, this is the second time that I've bought these. These are amazing. I love these. I originally saw Courtney Shields sharing about these on her Instagram stories, and she was just talking about how they are literally the closest thing to the actual beauty blender brand. And I could not agree more. They're amazing. So I just went ahead and bought a second bag because I really don't like washing them all the time. So it's just nice to get a new fresh bag, and 5 come in them. I think it was less than $10, which is amazing because the regular beauty blenders, I think for one is almost $30, I want to say. I don't know, I might be wrong about that. I've shared these in a favorites video before, but yeah, I had to mention them again because they're awesome. I'm never going to stop buying these, I don't think. I've got this new beautiful bag with my beauty blenders, and now I'm going to go ahead and put my foundation on because, as you guys can tell, I don't have any makeup on. So really quick, if you guys don't know how to use a beauty blender, I'm going to show you guys how I use mine. I just keep the water running and I squeeze it under the water like this really well. Then, as you guys can see, it gets humongous. Gets really big, and then I usually take just an old towel that I don't really care about, and I just kind of squeeze it out in there too to kind of dry it off a little bit. But now it's really big and it's ready for some makeup. These really don't work very well if you're using it dry. You really, really want to squeeze it out, get it wet, and it's going to be amazing. If you guys have never used a beauty blender, total game changer for your makeup, especially if you guys use what I do. The It Cosmetics CC Cream, CC Plus, I think that's what it's called. But I love it. And when I originally bought this, the girl at Ulta was telling me that you really do need to use a beauty blender with it. So this and this is a great combo. I feel like you're getting really close to my face and it's scaring me. Okay, we're all set. Glowing, summer, dewy skin. ready to apply the rest of my makeup. Next on our list, we have these little can toppers or caps. I don't really know what you would call them, but actually Joshua found these on Amazon because he's always got a can of something, and most of the time he doesn't finish it all. But same goes for me too. I love a good Diet Pepsi, and sometimes I don't want to drink all of it, so these are really cool because you can just put it on like this. They're still easy to drink out of, like we don't have any problem with it, and then the cap just kind of goes on like that. So even if you want to like take it with you or something and you've already opened it, it makes it a little easier. So Joshua actually found 6 of these, I think came in a pack. I want to say it was like 10 bucks, but I don't remember the price exactly. It'll be linked down below. But yeah, these are really cool. I just think they're like a really fun find. For some reason right now I can only find one of them. I don't know what I did with the rest of them, but they're really cool and very convenient.
What? I have to go!
We're back in the bathroom, and this one is probably one of my all-time favorite things, life-changing in a way. It's this razor. Now this is what I use for shaving my legs and stuff whenever I'm in the shower. It comes in a little pack like this. I feel like Schick is really good for just like my skin. I feel like I used to always get like razor bumps and stuff, and I just don't anymore. I've probably been using this for over a year now. All you have to do is buy this one time, and then you can just buy the razor replacements. At my grocery store, to get just like 2 of these was 25 bucks. So on Amazon, I could get 4 of these for like 30 something, like maybe $32 or $33 or something. So I'll leave these linked down below. They're just as good. I don't have any issue with them, and it's super easy. And I don't even have to use shaving cream anymore. So this is how it does. It's great for traveling too, because then you don't have to worry about like the shaving cream and stuff. So I was trying to think of like a really easy way to show you guys, but I'm not going to take you in the shower with me or anything. So really all I do is like make sure this is wet. Should I just prop my leg up here?
Sure.
This is really awkward. Normally my leg is wet in the shower. Don't get too close. But yeah, so all you do, shave regularly. Now I've got a big mess to clean up. I swear this makes my legs like the smoothest out of any razor. I love it so much. You guys have to try it if you have not ever tried this before. I've gotten everybody hooked on this, everybody I've talked to about it. So yeah, I'll leave these linked down below as well, just like everything else. Now that my legs are all smooth, well, just that one little section, this is my favorite lotion of all time. It's the best. The reason why I originally started using it is because it has no mineral oil. So this hemp lotion, just in general, you can get like any, not flavor, but scent, I think. You can get any of them, and they don't have mineral oil, which is great for keeping your tan. Mineral oil actually strips your tan. So that's why I started using it. It's just because it doesn't have mineral oil in it, and I feel like whenever I get sun in the summer, it just keeps my tan a lot longer. People always ask me how I keep my tan for a long time, and this stuff is the key right here. And the reason why I buy it on Amazon is because it's like half the price than it is at Ulta. I want to say at Ulta it's like 20 something bucks, and I get it for $11 or $12 on Amazon. So it is amazing, and I really like the way it smells. I get the age defying one, but they have like a bunch of other ones. I haven't put lotion on my legs yet today, so. I have a couple really random things. First are these clear bra straps. So I want to say about like a month or 2 ago, my friend and I were talking about how like back in the day, maybe like 10 years ago, it seemed to like clear bra straps were way more popular or something, or we just had them. Maybe I'm just out of the loop, but I had totally forgot about them. But they're amazing because I hate wearing strapless bras, which I'm sure a lot of people do. So I went on Amazon to see if I could find any clear ones, and of course I did. So I actually got a 2-pack. So I got this one, and then I have one on right now. I put this shirt on so you guys could kind of see a little bit This is just what it looks like on, but it's really comfortable. I've been wearing it for probably about the past month now, and I haven't had any issues. It's great for like if you're wanting to wear like a spaghetti strap shirt, but I think most everybody just hates wearing strapless bras. So these are amazing. It came in a 2-pack, like I said, and it was a really reasonable price. So you guys got to check these out if you don't have any. The other super random thing I recently got was, and I got this because somebody messaged me about it on Instagram, because in one of my Chicago videos, it might have been like my pack with me for Chicago video, I was talking about how I have to always sleep with a fan every single night. If I'm off somewhere, a lot of times I'll just have like earbuds and listen to like my fan app or something. But it's never as good as just having a good old-fashioned fan. So this one is great for traveling. I haven't actually taken it with me anywhere yet, but we are going camping at the end of the month, so I'll probably take it with me then. But yeah, thank you to the person who messaged me about this, because I'm really excited for it. So it feels like a good amount of airflow comes out of it. I could really use it today because it's a very hot, humid day here today. But yeah, it has like a little stand on it. It actually just only has like one setting on here, I think, but it's battery operated, which is also great because we've lost power at our house before in the middle of the night and my fan turns off. So this is like a really good emergency backup. Or I thought it'd be good just to like have sitting on your desk if you're working. I don't know, you just really take it with you anywhere, but especially great for travel. All right, so we're out running some errands. It's really humid here today, so my hair's probably getting bigger and bigger in every shot. But another Amazon amazing find are these sunglasses. I actually got them a couple of years ago. They are, well, they look exactly like Ray-Bans. I actually went into Sunglass Hut with my brother one day, and I had these on my head, and the girl was like, "Oh, did you get those here?" She even thought they were Ray-Bans. I told her, I was like, "No, I got them on Amazon for like 10 bucks. She was even impressed. So these are such a good Ray-Ban dupe. Such a good Ray-Ban dupe. And I got them a couple years ago. They're still in really good condition. Another pair that I got off Amazon were these ones. And these ones are a little bit dressier, I would say. Why are you laughing?
I'm in the reflection.
Oh. These ones are a little bit dressier, but these are kind of like a Dior dupe. I know there's a Dior sunglass that looks very similar to these, but they're really cute. They're really fun. These are both super affordable, and honestly, I feel like the quality is really, really good. And sometimes you just don't want to spend a lot of money on sunglasses because, let's face it, we all lose them, we all break them, and they're not going to last forever. So I think out of the two, these ones are my favorite though, because I feel like they're kind of more casual, can wear them every day. These ones are just dressier. I don't wear them as much, but these, if you have to pick one, get these. My last but not least Amazon favorite is this bag right here. I showed this in, I think it was like my spring essentials, maybe a favorites video. I don't really remember now, but it's this little straw bag. I feel like these little straw bags have just gotten really, really popular this year, and this one, it's just really great quality. So I almost bought one at the beginning of the summer, in the spring or whatever, for like $65 on this one website. And I just was like, man, 65 bucks for a straw bag, I don't know. So I got hunting on Amazon, found this one. It looked identical to the other one, and this one was a great price. The quality has been fantastic. It also has like a little zipper, if you can see it. A little zipper right here on the top, which is always a bonus. Keep all your stuff safe in there. It also has the crossbody strap, which I use all the time, but if you want it to be like a little bit dressier, you can just kind of tuck that into the bag and then just carry it like this. So it's a really great, fun summer bag, and I love it. All right, so that is all of my Amazon favorites right now. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more Amazon videos, make sure to comment down below. Most all of these things were things that I just keep buying over and over again, and then a few things are just things that I think are like really, really amazing Amazon finds. So let me know if you guys have purchased any of these items before in the past, or if now you're planning on it because of this video. Like I said, everything is going to be linked down below for you guys so you can check it all out for yourself. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs up button down below for me. Subscribe if you're new to my channel, or if you just haven't subscribed yet. It would mean so much to me. So I hope you guys are having an amazing week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you really soon in my next video.